countdown of the top 5 songs from this week in '74. That's one-hit wonder Carl Douglas with the best-selling single of 1974, Kung Fu Fighting. Before that, another Carl Carlton with his one big hit, Everlasting Love. Now, flashing back 41 years ago this week, it was a great time to have tickets to Madison Square Garden. That week, John Lennon paid off on a big bet with Elton John, and the fans were the big winners.
Zach Langford on your records.
You see, when Elton helped John out on the song, Whatever Gets You Through the Night, he bet Elton if the song hit #1, he'd appear on stage with him. Well, the song did hit #1, and that night, John made good on his promise, and the audience witnessed the former Beatles' last ever stage performance. What a memory that's got to be for people who were there. Meanwhile, back on our countdown from 1974, the legendary Beatles producer George Martin was working his magic on a hit by another band. He not only produced this, but played piano on it. Checking in at #3 on the countdown, here's America.